What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we posted a video, so I'm not going to waste too much time on an intro. Let's just get back to work.
Oh, look who finally decided to show up. Give me a hand with this stuff. We gotta move it over to the new shop.
So, as you can tell, things have changed around here for the better. We got a new shop. It's a 30 by 40 pole barn. Basically, I just wanted to update you guys because we're gonna start getting back into videos. This clearly is still a mess. Plus, we have projects going on. This is Paul's pan for his 1959, which is right there. We got a new 59 Ragtop, which is a Euro car. Obviously, you've seen the 58, the Renault, some of John's bikes, a little wall hanger. We just picked this up. This is a 60 Euro car. So this will be on the chopping block soon enough. And what we're going to be working on today is the newest tool addition to the shop, which is this plasma cutter. It's a Langmuir system Crossfire 2x2. So basically what I got to do, run a wire from the box over the door, put a 220 outlet over here. That way we could use this thing. So that's what we're doing now. First we got to move some of this stuff. So we might as well check this thing out while it's out of its hole. Like I said, 59 Euro rag. Picked it up locally actually. Just gathering some parts and stuff for it. But all the metal work's already done. It's got new channels. Someone did a real nice job on them. If you could see, this is the original color. Mignonette green. Just kind of a 1 year only 59 color. And if we look over here, after buying it, I didn't know it was a Euro car. There was some Bondo on these B-pillars, so I grinded it down, and sure enough, there's semaphores under it. So this is kind of like, I want to do this car right. Someone welded the wrong apron in the back, so we're going to get that changed out. This one will probably get painted, so a project for the future. Feel very lucky to own it. So let's get this wire in. It is hot in Tennessee, especially with these doors closed. Wires ran up and over from the box to where we're putting the outlet. We're just gonna tack it up, make it look nice, get it out of the way, and then we'll wire in the outlet, wire in the panel. All tacked up out of the way over the door, and down this 6x6 over here, where the outlet's gonna be. I think I'm gonna put the outlet here or here, wherever makes sense. This northern boy needs some water. Hit the store up, we'll get the breaker shut off at the house so I don't blow myself up, and get the rest of it done. So we got the outlet all finished up. I didn't show too much of it because obviously this is lower class garage, not lower class electrical. We got it plugged in here for now. I'm gonna make some sort of bench or something to hold all of this stuff. I'm not really sure how I'm gonna do it. I want it kind of tucked away. Plasma table's all hooked up. I have to get some fittings for the water separator, which I want to hook up before I use it. And then I got the plasma hooked up to the table. I'm gonna do a dry run just to see how it works. If we start here. Everything seems to be working as it should. I need to just do some research on the torch head height, which I don't know anything about. So I'll do that, get all the air hooked up, and hopefully the next shot will be us cutting something out. That's not good. So we got all the air and stuff set up. I got a piece of metal on here. I started to try it, but I had a bad ground, so let's give it another go. This is the second attempt. So this is what we got. It's not perfect, but I did go over a couple of things a couple of times, figuring out what was wrong with the ground. Also, I mean, it drew a line through it for some reason. I gotta figure out what that's all about, but I'm pretty happy with that. Obviously, I've never had one of these before. I'm new to CAD and all of that, so it's definitely gonna be a learning curve, but it's gonna be great when we need to build brackets, and especially for the Renault project, which I'm really pumped to get on. So I'm gonna be messing with this a little longer. Maybe I'll show another cut if I can get it to cut better, but I'm excited to be making videos again, and hopefully we keep it moving and you guys keep watching. Thank you so much.